The Citroën 2CV, a car that once defined simplicity, freedom, and charm, is making a comeback, but this time it's electric. Get ready for the 2026 Citroën 2CV, where vintage style meets modern innovation. A perfect blend of nostalgia and technology that's ready to shake up the EV world. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into how Citroën is reinventing a legend for a new generation. The 2026 2CV doesn't try to copy the old one, it reimagines it. Picture this: rounded headlights with LED rings that echo the original's friendly face, a lightweight body sculpted with minimalist lines, and a two-tone color scheme that screams retro cool but feels completely modern. Citroën has even teased a removable soft-top roof, paying tribute to the old canvas design, perfect for open-air city drives or weekend escapes. This isn't just a redesign, it's a reinvention of personality. Underneath that nostalgic exterior lies a fully electric powertrain. While Citroën hasn't revealed the full specs yet, insiders suggest a 45 to 55 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering around 250 to 300 kilometers, 155 to 185 miles of real-world range. It's not meant to break speed records. It's built for joyful, everyday driving. Smooth acceleration, instant torque, and zero emissions. And with Citroën's focus on affordability, the 2CV could become one of the most accessible EVs in Europe when it launches. Expect fast charging up to 100 kilowatts, taking it from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Step inside, and you'll feel the nostalgia right away. Fabric straps for door handles, exposed metal touches, and playful design cues that remind you of the past. But don't be fooled. This is still a 2026 car. You'll get a digital cluster, wireless smartphone connectivity, and even sustainable materials throughout the cabin. The 2026 2CV isn't just about going electric. It's about reconnecting with what driving used to feel like. Fun, free, effortless. It's not just another EV. It's a symbol of how the past and future can drive side by side. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Citroën 2CV the electric revival the world's been waiting for? Or is it just nostalgia in a new shell? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at Citroën's bold comeback, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because more future car stories are coming your way every week. This is Garage Galaxy, where innovation meets emotion.